Alright guys, so we're going to be going over my trading strategy. Support and resistance, that's everything. That's all you need in trading. Like, you could look up on YouTube all these crazy tutorials, right? Gold cup strategy, scalping. I mean, scalping is, okay, that's a real thing, but I don't like it. Because that involves many trades in one day. The good thing about support and resistance, when you look at it in the higher time charts, like the weekly time chart, 4 hour time chart, even the 1 hour daily, you get those big movements, and that's the most amazing thing. Because you could do 1, 2, 3 trades a week, but that's gonna cover a lot of money. Like, you'll see, you guys will see. So first we gotta go over what that is, right? So support and resistance is this basically. So right here, price kept trying to go up, right? But it couldn't go up. It couldn't go up past this line right here. That's the line of resistance. And then price broke that line. So then again, there was a new resistance line that I couldn't break, and then the old resistance became support. So that's something typically that could happen. So you guys have, like, if you guys constantly draw your lines on your charts, this becomes very clear to you. You can see old support, old resistance, and that just helps you in the long term. Like with future trades, you'll be able to see it right away. So it's always good to keep your support and resistance lines on your charts. It comes really in handy. So as you see right here, when price did break resistance, because it happens, the new resistance line became right here, and then the old resistance line, that was this one, now started acting as a support line. So right here you would sell, right here would you buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, right? Pretty simple. And it's literally that simple. And then again, same thing happened. Price broke the resistance line, a new resistance line was created. The old one was support, same thing, right? And then it broke again. It broke support this time, and then the old resistance acted as the old support was now acting as resistance. That's literally all it is. I know this is an ugly drawing, but it's just for you guys to get the idea, right? So now we could look at examples that I sent to my Discord group. If you guys want to join, it's only $30. It's a 1 week free trial, and it's going really good, guys. So you could join up if you want. And I'm not going to be cherry picking examples. Like, I'm not going to go look at the chart like, oh, okay, so obviously you can see right here this happened. Obviously I know that because I have, it's all hindsight bias. Like, I already know what happened. So I'm going to tell you the right answer. Like, I'm not going to say right here it's going to go up because I see right now that it went down. Right, so we're going to go over trades that I actually did send to my team. Alright, so first up we got this AUD-JPY trade right here. You can see that I sent it August 18th. August 18th. So I said it's gonna go down because it's reaching resistance, and look, that's exactly what happened, right? I did this one on my phone because you don't need your laptop, you don't need a PC. You can do it on your phone. It's literally the same thing. Just draw your lines. That's all it is. So I noticed that right here, price was at a good resistance line. So I was like, okay, it's time to sell. I told my team to sell. I didn't put no stop loss because I was really confident in this type of trade, and I put my take profit over here at 75.880, a little bit right above there. Because look, you probably can't see well, but right there was like almost acting as support. So I knew it was gonna reach down to here, right? So look, now we can see what happened. What did I say is gonna go down, and it went down, right? And then let's see if I got my take profit. Let's take a look. I was reaching for 75.880, and I did, and I reached it over here at this area of support, kind of, right? And then it kept even going more down to over here, to this other area right here, and then I started going back up because at support it goes up. It happened. Really good trade, a lot of pips, a lot of money. All right, let's go for another one. All right, so this is the other trade I sent out to my team. I sent it out this month, early this month, the 8th of September. So price on Euro USD was at a support level right here. You can see it had touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it was gonna be the 7th time. So I was like, okay, it has to go up, right? Let's see what happened. We bought right here. It went up all the way up here to this level right here. I thought that was a good level to reach for because you see right here it went back down, right here it went back down. So I was like, okay, this is like a kind of resistance type of thing. And then it obeyed the same thing. Went up here, it went back, it started its way back down. But it doesn't matter, we got a profit out right here at the top. That's the best thing you could do. And that's the good thing about support and resistance. You know when to get in, you know when to get out. It maximizes your profit. You only do minimum trades. Literally the best thing you could do. Now let's move on to the next one. So we have the next one I sent it out yesterday. So you see right here, price was almost at a resistance level, right? You can see right here there was a lot of, like, the price did not want to go past right here. You can see it from right here twice, and then right here you could kind of count it, and then third time, fourth time, fifth, and I was like, okay, fifth time I'm going for it. Let's look what happened. And it's actually, a matter of fact, I'm still in this trade. Let me show you guys. You can see right here that the price went down a lot, right? Automatically, boom. No hesitation either. Like, look at that. It just made you drop down. Because support and resistance, that's everything. Literally everything. That's all you need. Alright, so we got another one right here. I sent out 14 days ago, 2 weeks ago. Price was at a support level right here. You can see it on this blue line. Bounce back here, bounce back there. Bounce back right there at that point, and then it got tested twice right here. I was like, okay, it's about to go up again, just like how it did right here. Let's see what happened. And not only that, I also had confirmation from the fact that it's obeying this upward trend line. So then let's look over here on the GBP and ZD. What happened? It's going up, and I'm still in this trade too, and the people in my group are still in this trade. What am I doing? Right, so look, it's going up. It's pretty clear that it's going up off the blue, right? Right next to the blue, matter of fact. It's pretty clear that it's going up. And look, this is all you have to do. Support and resistance, that's everything. And right now it looks like a good time that we could pull out, because as you see right here, is at a resistance line almost from over here. It's following this support resistance right here. So I'm probably will tell my team right now to pull out unless I'm seeing another reason to keep it in. The only reason I'm still in is because I'm like, the upper trend line is gonna happen. It's gonna go all the way up to here. I hope so. But even if it doesn't, we're still in a deep profit right now. And the people on my team, they're eating well. Alright, so let's look at another one I have. Alright, so we have another trade right here. I did it last month. This one was beautiful. Alright, and it's really clear. So I love this example. It's easy for people to see and learn off of this one. Very clearly, you can see that resistance line was right here at this blue line, right? That I put. It could not pass this line. It really struggled to pass that line. It did it right here a little bit, but then it came back down again. Behave. And look at this major drop down, right? But I think that was from coronavirus. So you could say it counts, you could say it doesn't count, right? But either way, resistance was right here. Price was at resistance again. So what did we do? We obviously sell. Let's take a look at GBP USD. What happened? Alright, let's take a look. So you can see major drop down. All the way from the top of here to here. Let's see. It went from 1.33704 to 1. I can't see. It's currently at 1.29115. So that's a lot. You can see it was easily from just looking for the resistance line. Right here's the support. We'll close out at that support. I'll be happy with that profit. And yeah, that's literally all it is. Just gotta listen to this. Because support and resistance, that's everything. Price is gonna behave, and if it doesn't behave, you close out and then look for the next opportunity. It's not that deep, you know. Just stick to your analysis and you're gonna make money. And you see, like, we're making money over here. That was like 4 or 5 examples that I showed you guys. 1, 2, yeah, like 4 or 5 examples that I showed you guys that we made a lot of money on. And that's from the most simplest thing you can learn. Just support and resistance. Like, there's many strategies out there. A lot of them are complicated. You gotta look at them on the 1-minute chart where it's constantly moving crazy. But all you gotta do is look at the 4-hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart, and get that big money from the big moments. And that's literally all it is. So yeah, if you guys want to join my Discord, it'll be in the description. If you guys got any questions, you can message me on Instagram at fx.finesse. And yeah, let's make this money, guys.